All right, guys, we got the REPOWER under the desk elliptical. I just bought this. I did some product research a couple weeks ago and ended up deciding on this REPOWER under the desk elliptical specifically because thousands and thousands of people have bought it and they've given really high quality reviews to it. That let me know everything I need to know. And I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to work. We have a remote, gives you start, stop modes. There's 6 different modes and then a manual mode. Then you can change direction, you have some data, and then you can adjust the speed and turn it on and off. You can also do all that directly here from the device itself. Not only that, but we also have resistance bands that you can actually attach to it that allow you to do things like arm curls, arm raises, things like that. You also have bands that you can wrap around your feet to lock your feet in place when you're running this under the desk. So obviously the reason you're probably getting this is you're looking for something to be able to get you a little more activity, even though you're sedentary and maybe you work a lot. You have a nice pad that they give you so you don't scratch up the floor and it stays nice and grippy. Let's go ahead and operate it though. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to start it. And we're in manual mode. So it's just starting at a low speed. As you can see, we can just dial up the speed there. We can also change direction. There you go. And now it's reversing and going the other way. This thing is absolutely amazing. So stinking easy to use and so incredible for what you want it to do. I can't recommend it enough.